In this lecture, we are going to learn about enumerations, which are user-defined data types, and these are mainly used to assign names to integral constants, which are used in your programs. Most important benefit of using enumeration is that it makes your program easy to read and maintain. Let us try to understand this by a program so that we'll also know how to use enumerations. So enumerations can be defined using keyword enum. After that, you have enum variable. So inside of year, I am specifying complete list of months which are available in a year. So this is my whole list, and then inside of my main program I'm writing a loop. It is starting as I equal to Jan, I less than December, I plus plus, and we're just going to print value of I. So internally what is happening, starting from Jan till December we have total 12 values. So for 12 times value of I starting from 0 will be printed till 11. So how this happens is when we define an enum, starting value is considered as 0, then 1, and so on. Hence here Jan is 0 and December is 11. So technically your loop was I equal to 0, I less than equal to 11, I plus plus. That is why it has printed output as 0, 1, 2, 3 till 11. Few important points to remember in case of enum is that two enums can have the same values. So if we have enum as day, then Sunday is equal to 1 and Tuesday can also be equal to 1. In case of enums, we can initialize values like this using equal to operator. In case you do not specify any values, then the value of that particular name is as its previous value plus 1. So in this case, for Monday we have not specified any value, but previous element is initialized to 1, hence Monday will be treated as 2. Similarly, for Friday we have not specified any value, but because we have specified 10 as value to name Thursday, hence Friday will become 11 and Saturday will be 12. So it is not compulsory to have values for all the names. We have already seen that when we have not assigned any explicit values to all the names, then the starting value will be 0. Like in this program, Jan was having initial value as 0. Now the next point is all enum constants must be unique in their scope. So for example, suppose if I have these two enums and if I am using this enum constant as failed and failed in these two results, in this case compiler will give an error. So across your enum, all the enum constants should be unique. So this is how we use enumerations in C. These are very easy to use. So few common examples where you can use enum is to declare weeks, month, or state of a particular process. So these are few examples of enumerations.